Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're diving into a topic that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Why looking for a job is set to get less miserable this year. Yes, you read that right. The job search process, often described as stressful, time-consuming, and frustrating, is undergoing a transformation. Thanks to technological advancements, shifting employer priorities, and changing workforce dynamics, the job search experience is becoming more candidate-friendly. In this video, we'll explore the key trends making job hunting less miserable, what you can expect in 2024, and how to make the most of these changes. Let's get started. AI-powered job matching. One of the biggest game changers in the job search process is the rise of AI-powered job matching. Here's how it's making life easier for job seekers. Personalized job recommendations. AI algorithms analyze your skills, experience, and preferences to recommend jobs that are a great fit for you. No more sifting through hundreds of irrelevant job postings. Platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor are using AI to deliver tailored job suggestions, saving you time and effort. Resume optimization. AI tools can help you optimize your resume by identifying keywords and phrases that are likely to catch the attention of hiring managers and applicant tracking systems, ATS. Tools like JobScan and Zeti analyze your resume against job descriptions to ensure it's ATS-friendly and highlights your most relevant skills. Automated applications. Some platforms now offer one-click applications where you can apply to multiple jobs with a single profile. This saves time and reduces the hassle of filling out repetitive forms. For example, platforms like Simplify and HireVue allow you to apply to multiple roles with just a few clicks. Chatbots for support. AI-powered chatbots can answer your questions, provide application status updates, and even schedule interviews, making the process more interactive and less isolating. Companies like Paradox and Maya are leading the way in providing chatbot support for job seekers. By leveraging AI-powered tools, job seekers can streamline their search, reduce stress, and increase their chances of landing the right role. Improved candidate experience. Employers are increasingly recognizing the importance of providing a positive candidate experience. Here's how they're making the job search process less miserable. Faster hiring processes. Companies are streamlining their hiring processes to reduce the time between application and offer. This means less waiting and fewer ghosting incidents. For example, some companies are adopting speed hiring models, where candidates can go from application to offer in just a few days. Transparent communication. Employers are being more transparent about job requirements, salary ranges, and the hiring timeline. This helps set clear expectations and reduces uncertainty. Platforms like Levels, For Your Information, and Glassdoor are making it easier for candidates to research salaries and company cultures before applying. Feedback for candidates. More companies are providing feedback to candidates, even if they're not selected for the role. This helps job seekers understand where they can improve and feel valued throughout the process. For example, companies like Google and Microsoft are known for providing detailed feedback to candidates. User-friendly career sites. Employers are investing in user-friendly career websites and mobile apps, making it easier for candidates to search for jobs, submit applications, and track their progress. Companies like Amazon and Salesforce have set the standard for intuitive and engaging career sites. By prioritizing the candidate experience, employers are creating a more positive and less stressful job search process. Remote and hybrid work opportunities. The rise of remote and hybrid work is another factor making the job search less miserable. Here's why. Access to more opportunities. Remote work opens up access to jobs across the country, even the world, giving you more options to choose from. Platforms like Remote Co. and We Work Remotely specialize in listing remote job opportunities. Flexibility. Many job seekers value the flexibility that remote and hybrid work offers, allowing them to balance work with personal commitments. This is particularly appealing to parents, caregivers, and those with side hustles. Reduced commute stress. No more long commutes or relocation stress. Remote work allows you to work from the comfort of your home, saving time and money. Studies show that remote workers are often more productive and satisfied with their jobs. Focus on skills over location. Employers are increasingly prioritizing skills over location, making it easier for candidates to land roles that match their expertise, regardless of where they live. This is especially beneficial for job seekers in rural areas or smaller cities. The rise of remote and hybrid work is transforming the job market, offering greater flexibility and opportunities for job seekers. Skills-based hiring. Skills-based hiring is transforming the job market, and it's great news for job seekers. Here's how. Focus on what you can do. Employers are prioritizing skills and competencies over traditional credentials like degrees or years of experience. This levels the playing field for candidates with non-traditional backgrounds, such as self-taught coders or career changers. Micro-credentials and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy offer affordable courses and certifications that can help you showcase your skills and stand out to employers. For example, earning a Google Data Analytics or AWS Cloud Practitioner certification can open doors to high-demand roles. Portfolio careers. Skills-based hiring allows you to build a portfolio career where you work on a variety of projects and roles based on your skills and interests. This is particularly appealing to freelancers and gig workers. Upskilling opportunities. Employers are investing in upskilling programs to help employees develop new skills, making it easier for job seekers to transition into new roles or industries. For example, companies like Amazon and Walmart offer free training programs for employees. By focusing on skills rather than credentials, job seekers can unlock new opportunities and build more fulfilling careers. Greater emphasis on diversity and inclusion. Diversity and inclusion are becoming top priorities for employers, and this is making the job search process more inclusive and less miserable. Here's how. Blind recruitment. Some companies are using blind recruitment practices where identifying information like names, photos, and educational backgrounds are removed from resumes to reduce bias. Tools like Gap Jumpers and Applied help employers implement blind hiring processes. Inclusive job descriptions. Employers are crafting job descriptions that use inclusive language and focus on essential skills, making it clear that candidates from all backgrounds are welcome. Tools like Textio analyze job postings for biased language and suggest improvements. Diverse hiring panels. Companies are ensuring that hiring panels are diverse, which helps reduce bias and creates a more inclusive hiring process. For example, companies like Salesforce and Accenture have implemented diverse hiring panels as part of their DEI initiatives. Support for underrepresented groups. Employers are offering support and resources for underrepresented groups, such as mentorship programs, networking opportunities, and targeted recruitment efforts. For example, Google's Tech Exchange program provides training and mentorship for students from historically Black colleges and universities, HBCUs. By prioritizing diversity and inclusion, employers are creating a more equitable and welcoming job search process. Mental health and well-being support. Employers are increasingly recognizing the importance of mental health and well-being, and this is making the job search process less stressful. Here's how. Mental health resources. Some companies are offering mental health resources such as counseling services and wellness programs to support candidates during the hiring process. For example, companies like Unilever and Deloitte provide access to mental health apps and hotlines. Flexible interview scheduling. Employers are offering flexible interview scheduling to accommodate candidates' personal commitments and reduce stress. This is particularly helpful for candidates balancing job searches with caregiving or other responsibilities. Transparent work culture. Companies are being more transparent about their work culture and expectations, helping candidates find roles that align with their values and well-being. Platforms like Comparably and Kununu provide insights into company cultures and employee experiences. Focus on work-life balance. Employers are prioritizing work-life balance, offering benefits like flexible hours, remote work, and generous vacation policies. For example, companies like Netflix and HubSpot offer unlimited vacation days to promote work-life balance. By prioritizing mental health and well-being, employers are creating a more supportive and less stressful job search experience. How to make the most of these trends. Now that you know why the job search is becoming less miserable, here's how you can make the most of these trends. Leverage AI tools. Use AI-powered job matching platforms and resume optimization tools to streamline your job search and increase your chances of success. Focus on skills. Invest in upskilling and reskilling to stay competitive in the job market. Consider earning micro-credentials or certifications to showcase your expertise. Network strategically. Build and maintain a strong professional network. Attend virtual events, join online communities, and connect with industry professionals to uncover new opportunities. Prioritize well-being. Take care of your mental health and well-being during the job search process. Set boundaries, take breaks, and seek support when needed. Be open to remote work. Consider remote and hybrid work opportunities to expand your options and find roles that offer greater flexibility. And there you have it, why looking for a job is set to get less miserable this year. From AI-powered job matching to skills-based hiring and a greater focus on well-being, the job search process is becoming more candidate-friendly than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts on these trends or share your own job search experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.